Greetings from Santa Paula. This is Echo Alpha 5, Juliet November Mike, and we are Salty Dave. So slightly new experiment today. We're going to be keeping with the theme of saltwater HF, but today we thought we might show you how it works Maritime Mobile. We're going to experiment with the end-fed half wave for 20 meters. Basically an end-fed half wave for 20 meters behind the boat, not on the boat, behind the boat. Is it better than a quarter wave vertical? Probably not. Is it more practical than a quarter wave? Definitely not. But anyway, let's give it a go. We're going to be Maritime Mobile with a Xiegu G90 and a half wave end fed for 20 meters. EA5JNM, Salty Dave. Okay. Here with EA5JDD, EA5 Juliet November Mike, and police just gone by. Red Cross. Okay, so we got a half wave end fed cut for 20 meters. 49 up there. We're lowering the end of the antenna now with a fender. Would have liked to have maybe another 2 meters of line between the antenna. Anyway,
you can refine it. Actually,
try and keep the
line would have been good.
another 3 meters of line would have been the business. But anyway,
this will be the assessment.
This is first try, as I say.
You say, what are you doing dragging that behind there?
Yeah.
That's illegal. You can't do that.
Multa. Una multa.
Have you got a license for that?
Okay, let's see if this will sort itself out.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Okay, she's clearing. Yes. Okay.
You don't want to go any faster than that, though.
Well, I mean, 4 or 5 knots. Doing pretty okay.
I don't know what we're doing. 3 knots.
Get this up a little bit. Yeah, it is splashing in the water every now and then.
Yeah, we need a longer line.
You need a longer line, huh?
Well, just a sec. As soon as we get... Okay, stop.
Just go and see how the SWR is. Yeah, QSL Dan, we're just running 20 watts, just correction on the power. We are running 20 watts and we are trailing an end-fed half wave from behind the boat there. Have I got it correct? Your call is Victor Echo 3, Golf Echo Golf, is that correct?
Okay, David, I think you're in a transmission, but I'd like you to tell us your hard copy. I don't know if you mentioned 20 watts of power, is that correct?
That's correct, that's correct. Just confirm your call sign. Victor Echo 3, Golf Echo Golf, is that correct? Victor Echo 3, Golf Echo Golf, over.
3, Denmark, America, Germany, Victor Echo 3, Delta, Alpha, Golf.
Yeah, I got you that time. Victor Echo 3, Delta, Alpha Golf. Okay, I won't hold it up for you. Thanks for coming back to our little Maritime Mobile station. Just wondering what you're using on your side before you go, over.
QSL, Dave, yeah, I'm really starting to fade out. But are you on a boat? Are you on a boat? Go ahead.
Yes, we're on a sailboat. We're currently sailing. We are currently sailing and we are trailing an end-fed half wave, a 20-meter end-fed half wave behind the boat. 20 watts of power, wire antenna behind the boat while we are sailing, over.
Wow, that's very interesting. 30-meter antenna in the water, trailing behind the sailboat. That's very, very interesting. Wow, that's amazing, Dave. It's 20 watts, working great. I was having a hard time hearing any DX, and you in there just fine, so that salt water is
The conditions are very bad today.
extremely helpful. Yeah, thank you, David. Dave, I hope you have good sailing and be safe out there. Thank you for the call, Dave. I got you here in the log. Echo Alpha 5, Juliet, November, Mexico. This is Victor Echo 3, Delta, Alpha Golf. Thank you so much, Dave.
Yeah, pleasure was all mine. And by the way... Okay, so there we go. The proof is in the pudding. It definitely works. Very, very poor conditions. With 20 watts, able to make a contact there into Canada and some others. Kept the contact short there, not to bore everyone there with multiple contacts. Yeah, definitely getting out on 20 watts with a Xiegu G90 and definitely working the end fade half wave for 20 meters Maritime mobile. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. 73 from EA5JNM, Salty Dave in Santa Paula.